Friends, welcome to the CS Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about how to download and install Java application in your machine. So first of all, in order to download the Java application, you need to go to this link first. I have opened this link. Here you can download Java Standard Edition Development Kit 8. All files are given here. According to your OS configuration, you can download it. Before downloading, you have to accept the license agreement. As I have already downloaded it, I'm not going to download it again because it will take long time if I start downloading now. So let us go to the installation part. It's quite easy to install a Java application after downloading it, but the main problem is that how to set the environment path after installation. So for that purpose, you have to go to the control panel, then go to system, then go to advanced system settings, then go to environmental variable, then go to path, edit. I have already selected path C program files Java JDK bin. You have to select it like this. Go to the file where the Java resides. My Java resides in C drive program files, then Java, then JDK, and up to bin folder you have to go, and then copy this path, the total path. You have to copy this total path and it need to be pasted here. You click on the edit option and you have to paste it here, then press OK, then press OK. So this is the path. This is the location of your JDK. So in this way you can download and install Java in your machine. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and this link is provided in the description of the video. This download link is already provided in the description of the video. You can find it from there. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.